I'm ready to transition from summer to fall, and this little box might just help me do that. I was looking for a wreath that would fit my front door, which I said was 26 inches is the best, and look what I ordered. It is not a bright orange. It is made to look like ferns when you pull them outwards, and some wheat grasses, and it is, let me get up close. It is not one of those awful shiny products. It has a little bit of shine, but it's I would say it's like a semi-gloss if it was a paint. You can pull the leaves, I think these fern, I can't even think, fern leaves outwards and keep working them to make it work for your door. I find this perfect for that transition from summer to fall. And it has, let's see, I don't see a hook necessarily built into it. So you would need a door hook or to set it, wire it with floral wire onto a nail if you have a nail or something, or a hook already made into your door. But overall, this is one of the probably the best wreaths I've bought. I did buy it to go on the front door, and I wanted more of a plastic coating because of weather, and this looks like it's going to be winter. My front door is also going to be painted green, not a bright green, a dull green, and I think this will help take us into fall.